Hello dear students, welcome back at your own channel Maths Mela, where we are discussing the academic part of mathematics. Let's start with sum number 9, and the sum is: in figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. So let's calculate the sum. If you will observe the diagram, okay, so what is given in the diagram? Sum number 9, what is given? OA, which is acting as a radius. This is equal to what? 7 centimeter. It is in case of what? The bigger circle. Okay, then if OA is equal to R, which is what? 7 centimeter. So what OD is? OD is also what? 7 centimeter, right? But OD here in case for the smaller circle, what it is? It is equal to diameter. Okay, what is this? It is equal to diameter. So for smaller circle, what will be the R? R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, right? And what is the diameter for bigger circle? Here in place of this we will be using capital R, so easily you can find out. And capital D is equal to 7 plus 7, it is 40. Now you have to find out the area of the shaded part. Now if you will observe the diagram, there are what? Two parts which are what? Shaded. One is in the one half of the circle, second one is in the second half. Which one is in one semicircle, another one is in what? One semicircle. So obviously for first it is easy to find out because the first part is nothing but circle. Okay, so area of smaller circle, which is equal to what? Can be given as pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So this and this 7 will get cancelled. Then this and this will be 11. So what is the answer? 11 7 is 77 upon 2, or you can write it as 38.5 centimeter square. This is what? Area of first one. Now if you will observe the second part, which is what? In between the sides of the triangle. So what you can do, the triangle is in semicircle. So simply it is, if you want to find out the area of the shaded part, what you have to do? From the semicircle's area you have to remove the area of triangle. Okay, therefore for second shaded part, okay, second shaded part's area, shaded part, okay, area of second shaded part is nothing but area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Now here you can use 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay, so first pi r square. Now here we are using bigger circle, so we are using capital pi r square divided by what? 2, and 1 by 2 into base into height. Now 22 by 7. Then what is R? R is equal to 7 into 7, and then this 2 as it is, minus 1 by 2 into 14 into 7. Right? 14 is what? The diameter, which is acting as a base. So this again 7 and 7 cancel, this and this cancel, so it is 11 7 plus 77, and then 2 7 means what? 7 7 49. Right? So what is remaining? Here it is remaining 28 centimeter square. Now this is what the part 1 of the shaded part, this is what the part 2 of the shaded part. So what you can do is, so total area of shaded part, total area of shaded part can be given as, how it will be? It is 38.5 plus 28, which is nothing but 8 and 16, 1 carry, 66.5 centimeter square. Now let's go ahead with the sum number next. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeters square. With each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and under root 3 is equal to 1.73205. Circles and one equilateral triangle, and it is clearly said in the sum that the radius of the circle is half of the side of the equilateral triangle. So to get to know about the radius of the circle, we should be able to know the side of the equilateral triangle. Now since the area of the equilateral triangle is given, so first we find out the side of the equilateral triangle. Okay, therefore first of all, what we do, area of equilateral triangle, which is nothing but 17320.5. But we know the formula. The formula is root 3 upon 4 into side square, 17320.5. So the side square will be 17320.5. This 4 is dividing here, so it will what? Multiply. Now this root 3 will come here, but what is the value of root 3? This one. So it is 1.73205. Okay, now this decimal point will take here and this will go here. One more decimal point shifted. After that 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So what we will do? We will use this also, 1732005. After that 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, then multiply by 4, and then without any digit, without any decimal point we write it. So this and this will get cancelled. It means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. So what will be? Therefore side is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4. Okay, this is equal to what now? 2 zeros and 2 zeros will be coming in as 1, and this 4 will be coming as 2, so it will be 200 centimeter. This is what? The side of equilateral triangle. Therefore radius, okay, radius will be what? 200 upon 2, that is equal to what? 100 centimeter. Now is it easy to find out? Yes. What we have to do is now, the circles are what? And the equilateral triangle. Observe this. If you will find out, or if you will observe carefully, you will find out at each vertex of the triangle the sector is formed. Okay, and each sector is what? Equal, because there are what? Equilateral triangle. So theta is what? 60, 60, 60, pi, and then pi r square. Okay, which is what? Equal. So that easily you can do. So what we will do now? Area of shaded part or shaded region is equal to, how we can go ahead is, it is area of equilateral triangle, right? Area of, here we write, that is area of equilateral triangle minus 3 times of area of sector. Is it so? Yes. Now since there is no need of writing formula because it is already given, that is what? 17320.5 minus 3 into what is theta here? 60 upon 360 into 3.14 into 100 and again into 100. Right? So this 0 will get cancelled. Here 6 ones are 6 6s are. Then again 3 ones are 3 2s are. Then again, if you will multiply this one, 2 ones are, and then this 00 and this decimal point will go, so it is what? 314. So here if you will get, you will be getting 2 ones are, 2 5s are, and 2 7s are. Right? 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining 11, 2 5s are 10, 1 is remaining 14, 2 7s are 14, and then 157 into 100. Okay, so what it is? 17320.5 minus 15700. So 0.5 as it is. 0 minus 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 7 is not possible, so 13 minus 7, that is equal to 6. Now here 6 minus 5 is what? 1, and 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So this is what? Nothing but area of your shaded region. So let's go on the next sum.
On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 cm, are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief.
Now let's work on this sum. So these are what the given thing. Given that the radius of each circle is what? 7 cm. Okay, and there are number of circles are what? Total number of circles are what? 9. Okay, there are total 9 circles are there. Now in one row or in one column there are what? 3 circles. Okay, so if you will observe carefully, what should be the side of square? Okay, therefore side of square first. It is nothing but the diameter. One circle, second circle and third circle. All the circles are what? Equal congruent circles. Their diameter must be same. So it is what? 3 into diameter. So that is what? 3 into. The radius is 7. So diameter is what? 14. What is 14 these are? It is 42 centimeter. Right or no? The radius of one circle is 7. So diameter becomes 14. So 14 plus 14 plus 14, that will give you the side of the square. Okay, and what is unshaded part? Therefore, simple it is area of unshaded part. Okay, area of unshaded part is equal to, very simply we can do area of square minus 9 times of area of circles, because there are total 9 circles is there, 9 circles are there, right? So area of square is nothing but 42 multiplied by 42, that is side square. Then 9 into pi means 22 by 7. R square means 7 into 7. So this 7 and this 7 will get cancelled. After this 42 into 42, what it is? 2 2s are 4. Right or no? Then 4 2s are, right? 2 2s are 4. If we are calculating it in by Vedic maths, it will be like this: 2 2s are 4. Then the cross multiplication and addition. So 2 4s are 8 plus 2 4s are 8, 16, and no carry over. So 16, here it is 1. And again 4 4s are 16 plus this one, that is 1764. So 1764. And here it is what? 9 7s are 63. Now let's see what it is. 63 2s are. It is 126, 12 carry. Again 63 2s are 126. 126 plus 2, 128 plus 10, that is 138. And then 4 means 14, 14 minus 6 is what? 8. Here it is 5, 5 minus 8 is not possible. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Then here it is 6 minus 3 is 3. That is 378 centimeter square. Let's go on the next one.
In figure 12.31, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Use pi is equal to 3.14.
Now let's observe the diagram. After observing the diagram, these are what the given things. According to the diagram, what is OA is equal to 20 centimeter. And OA is nothing but the side of the square. Okay, OA is nothing but the side of the square. Okay, side of square. Right? Pi we have to use here 3.14, and we know that OABC is a okay. So let's observe the diagram first, and after observing the diagram, the given things are OABC is a square, OPBQ is a quadrant of circle, and then OA, which is a side of a square, is equal to 20 centimeter. Pi we have to use here 3.14. Here, if you will observe the find the area of shaded part. If you will observe area of shaded part can be find out by using the formula area of the quadrant circle minus area of the square. Now finding area of the square is easy because 20 into 20 we have to do. What about the area of the quadrant? That is pi r square divided by 4. So we should know the radius first. And how we can find out the radius, as we know that the diagonal of the square, okay, will be acting as a radius. Okay, so let's go ahead. Here radius is equal to diagonal of square, and as we know that what is the diagonal of a square, it is nothing but the root 2 into side, right? Root 2 into side of the square. Okay, so this is nothing but 20 root 2 centimeter square. Sorry, 20 into root 2 centimeter. So we have the radius also now. So let's find out therefore area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. Okay, then what quadrant is? It is pi r square upon 4 minus area of square, that is what? Side square. Okay, or directly we can write 20 also. So 3.14, the radius is 20 root 2 multiplied by 20 root 2, total divided by 4, quadrant is, and then side square, that is 20 into 20. Here this 4 and this will get cancelled. This root 2 and root 2 will be giving you 2. So it is what? 5 2s are 10, right? 5 2s are 10. Then 10 into 20, right? That is 200. Then that 2 0 0 and this decimal point will get cancelled. So the final answer will be 314 into 2. Okay, which is nothing but 628. Again, 4 5s are 20. This root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 20 is 200. That double 0 will get cancelled with this decimal point. So it will become 314 into 2. That comes 628. And what is 20 into 20? It is easy. That is 400. Now, the total answer is 228 centimeter square. Okay, so let's go ahead with the next one.
In figure 12.30, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of the number 1 quadrant OACB and number 2 area of the shaded region.
So let's observe the diagram first. After observing the diagram, it is very easy sum. The quadrant of circle is given, and from that quadrant of circle we have to remove the area of the triangle. Now what about the area of triangle? Here also, since it is 90 degree, so we will be using half into base into height. And if you observe the diagram, the base is nothing but the radius and height is given 2 centimeter, which is easy to find out. So can we go ahead? Yes. Now the quadrant of the circle first we are going to find out. So therefore area of quadrant circle, as you know that pi r square divided by 4, right? Now what is pi r square? That also you know. Here they did not give us any value, so we will be using 22 by 7. What is radius? It is 3.5 into 3.5 upon 4. So 3.5 1 is 3.5 and this is what 2s are. Then here 2 11s are. Now 11 into 35 or 11 into 3.5 is what? 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 38.5 divided by 4. Let us keep like this only. This is nothing but the area of the quadrant circle. Now area of the shaded region. Okay. Therefore area of shaded region. Shaded region is nothing but area of quadrant circle minus area of triangle, which is nothing but area of quadrant circle, as we got 38.5 divided by 4 minus half 1 by 2 into base into height. This and this will get cancelled. So 38.5 divided by 4 minus 3.5, which will give you 4 into 3.5. This is nothing but 38.5 minus 40 upon 4. Okay, so 38 minus 40 is 24.5 upon 4. Right? 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 1 is what, 2. So 4 6 are 24, then 1 are, that is 5. Okay, so the area is what, 6.1 centimeter square, or you can keep it as 24.5 upon 4 centimeter square.
AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter and center O. If angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, find the area of the shaded region.
Now let's see the sum number 14. What is given in that? If you will observe the diagram, you will be able to see that there are what, two radii, or after seeing the diagram, you can easily find out the area of shaded part is nothing but the difference between the two sectors. They are what, concentric with the common theta, but with the different radii. So what is given? Let's see, capital R, that is bigger radius, so we will denote it as 21 centimeter, and small radius, that is equal to 7 centimeter. As I told you, theta is common for both, that is 30 degree, and what we have to do, we have to find area of shaded part. Okay, shaded region or shaded part. Is that okay? Now how will we find out? Very simple. Therefore, area of shaded part is equal to area of sector OAB minus area of sector OC. Okay, which is nothing but theta upon 360 into pi capital R square, then minus theta upon 360 into pi small r square. The difference is what? Only radius. Okay, so what we'll do, theta is common, 30 upon 360 into pi is also common, 22 by 7. The difference is what? R square minus R square, which is nothing but 30 upon 360 into 22 by 7. What is capital R? It is 21 square, and then small r 7 square, which will give you this 0 cancel 1 and 12. So 22 upon 12 into 7 into 21 square is 441. It is, and then 7 square is 49. Okay, so what is remaining? 11 minus 9 is what? 2. 30 minus 4 is what? 9, and then 392. So 392, which can be divided by 7. 7 5s are 30. 5, 4 is remaining. So 4 into 42. 7 6 are 42. Okay, now what? Here we can just divide it by 4 also. So 4 3s are, then 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Now what is remaining? 22 into 14 divided by 3. Okay, so 22 into 14 also we can do, that is 14 2s are 28, 14 2s are 28 into 3 is 0, 8 upon 3. Or if you want to solve it, you can, that is 10, then 3 2s are 6, 2 will be remaining, and then 6, that is 102.6 centimeter square. Let's go towards the next sum.
In figure 12.33, ABC is a quadrant of circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region.
Now observe the diagram first. In diagram clearly it is mentioned that ABC, which is what looking as a triangle. Yes, it is a triangle, but if you will see the curved line, that is what a quadrant circle. Okay, and then the shaded part is on the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So what we will do, we will find out the hypotenuse first, BC, which will be acting as a diameter for that semicircle. Right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse, okay, that is equal to what? BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. Now what is AC and AB? It is 14 square plus 14 square, okay, which is nothing but 2 into 14 square. So BC is nothing but 14 root 2 centimeter, which is what? A hypotenuse. Is that okay? Now what? BC is what? A hypotenuse as well as the diameter of the semicircle. Okay, this is nothing but D of semicircle. Therefore, what is R of semicircle? It will be 14 root 2 upon 2, that is nothing but 7 root 2 centimeter. Is that okay? Now we'll talk about the shaded part. Observe the diagram very carefully. Therefore, area of shaded part. This is nothing but the area of sector. Then if you will subtract area of triangle, you will be getting the area in between the diameter BC and the shaded part. That we have to remove from the semicircle. Is that okay? So what will be getting? Area of semicircle first. Then from this we have to minus area of sector minus area of triangle. This is what it will give you the shaded part. Now area of semicircle is nothing but pi, say r square divided by 2, then minus, because it is semicircle, that's why divided by 2. Now area of sector, which is nothing but a quadrant. Okay, so here you can write down quadrant sector also. So easily you can find out pi r square upon 4 minus 1 by 2 into base into height. Now what? Just keep in the formula. Okay, that is what? 22 by 7. Then what is r? What is r for diameter BC? Okay, that is nothing but 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 divided by 2. This one. Okay, now what will happen? This 7 and this 7 will get cancelled. This 2 into, sorry, root 2 into root 2 will give you 2. So this and this will get cancelled. What is remaining? 22 into 7, which is nothing but 154. Then minus again pi, that is 22 by 7 into 4 I am writing. Then r. Now what is r for this? The radius for the thing is what? 14. Right or no? This we have to see. Okay, 14 into 14, then minus 1 by 2 into 14 into 14, that is radius. Okay, base is also 14 and height is also 14. So here what we can get? 7 and then 7 twos are, then this 2 twos are, then this 2 11s are. Okay, then minus 14 into 11, that is 140, 154 minus 14 sevens are, it is 98. Right or no? 14 sevens are 98. Now 154 minus 98 is nothing but 154 minus 50 what it will be? 56. And if you will subtract 154 minus 56, again you will be getting 98 centimeter square. Okay, so hopefully you have understood. Observe the diagram carefully, and after that everything will be what clear. First find out the area of sector, then from that area of sector or area of quadrant you have to subtract the area of triangle to get the area which is in between the shaded part and the triangle. Okay, because that part only we have to subtract from the area of the semicircle. Is that okay? So it is nothing but 98 centimeter square. Now let's go on the sum number last.
Calculate the area of the designed region in figure 12.34 common between the two quadrants of circle of radius 8 cm each.
Now the sum number 16 says that ABCD is a square with the side 8 centimeter. Okay, now here I would like to draw a diagram somewhat like this it is, then like this. Now this is what the common part which we have to find out, right? Which you can see the diagram also. Now these sides are what 8, 8, 8 and 8. What they are telling, this part is what in between the two common sectors. Now my thing is what I am telling you, if we will see it A, B, C and then D, and here we are writing somewhat F. So what is this A, B, C and F? It will make one sector or one quadrant sector, right? So which can be found out easily by pi r square divided by 4. Now if we will remove this part, okay, now suppose this part is removed, what part is remaining? This part, okay, this part is remaining where the name is what D and AC, okay, this part is remaining. Now of course since it is a square, so this part and this part both will be what? Equal, right? So if we will remove these two equal parts from ABCD, what we are left with? We are left with the desired area. Okay, so how to solve it? Therefore, first of all, excuse me. Now the question is, find area of shaded part or shaded region, right or no? Now how to do it? Simple. Area of shaded region is equal to area of square, right, minus 2 into area left in square, okay, area left in square. Area left in square is what? This one. Double is what? This both, right? And this is nothing but the answer, right? Now what is area of square? It is 8 into 8. Now how to find out this one? Area left in square. It is nothing but area of quadrant circle minus, right, area of quadrant or area of ABCD. How to do it? It is nothing but area left in square is nothing but 2 into area of square minus area of quadrant, right? So which is very easy now. 64 minus 2. Now area of square is again 8 into 8 minus area of quadrant is nothing but pi r square divided by 4, which will give you 64 minus 2 into again 64. And now what is 22 by 7? That is 5. What is radius? Again it is 8 into 8 and then divided by 4, right? So 4 ones are 4 twos are. Only this thing we can do. 8 twos are 16 and then 16 into 3.14 also we can do it. Okay, so that is what 64 minus 2 into 64 minus, it is what, 22 by 7 is nothing but 3.14 into 16 we can do. Okay, so 3.14 into 16, that is 16 4s are 64, 16 1s are 16, and 6 is what, 22, 16 3s are 48, 50. Okay, so this is nothing but 50.24. So 64 minus 2 into 64 minus 50 will give you 14, 14 minus 0.24 will give you 13.76. Is that okay? Yes. Now 64 minus 2 into 6 is what? 12. 1 carry 2 7s are 14 and 1 50. 2 3s are 6 and 1 7. Right? And 2 1s are 2. Right or no? 27.52. Now from 64 remove 28 first and then we can think about the 0.52 also. Right or no? Or 64.00. Now that 0 minus 2 will give you 8, 9 minus 4 will give you 4, and then 3 minus 7, that is equal to 6, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So what it is, 36.48 centimeter square. This is what the area of the design, right? So this is what the sum number 16. Here we have finished the exercise number 12.3 as well as the chapter number 12. So here only we will take a pause and very soon we will meet again at your own channel Maths Mela. Till that time, be happy, be at home. Keep safe. Thank you.